Yes, I greet you in the name of the Most High God, Jah Rastafari. Yes, for the reggae month, we give thanks and we give praises. And it's a special honor because Olivia and I was here like 6 years ago. And ISN told us, we're going to do something here. And we brought a load of friends down that evening. Give me that old-time tradition. Give me that old-time tradition. That's good enough for me. Give me that old-time tradition. Old-time tradition. Bring it up for me. Old-time tradition. That's good enough for me. Give me this, give me the drum, give me the beat of the bass, give me the ride. Whoa, 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 whoa. Give me the harmony, give me the melody, give me a full time. Go on, go on, go on. Now I've been tuned in for such a long time to a positive message on a reggae vibe. From I heard the words of the Rastaman say, ooh yeah, Babylon, Babylon, said your throne gone down. Hey, give thanks and praise the Lord, corresponding one nominee. Each man's responsible for his own destiny. One bright morning when man's work is over, man will fly away home. Do you remember the days of slavery? Do you remember what Marcus Garvey said? People without the knowledge of their history, it's like a tree without roots. Give me that old-time tradition. Old-time tradition. Leave it up. Pick it up a little bit for me. DJ, that's good enough for me. Well, yeah. Well. Give me this, give me the drum, give me the beat of the bass, give me the ride. Whoa, 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 whoa. Give me the harmony, give me a melody, give me a full time. Now I've been trying for such a long time for the meditation of my heart to be acceptable in just I. My ears wide open, the music flowed on through. To me and my brethren got so much to do. But in this time, it's strictly dancehall vibe. No cultural vibe or constructive reasoning. Youths and youths, I see them running wild. Everyone a ragamuffin. Don't they remember the days of slavery? Don't they remember what Marcus Garvey said? People without the knowledge of their history, it's like a tree without roots. Give me that old-time tradition. Old-time tradition. Yeah, give me that old-time tradition. That's good enough for me. Give me that old-time tradition. Old-time tradition. Yeah, give me that. Give me that. Give me that. It's good enough for me. I said, give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Oh, yeah. I said, give me that, give me that, give me that old-time tradition. Hey, give me the teaching of His Majesty. Give me the teaching of His Majesty. Oh my gosh, got to hear, so give it up to me. Can't bring it down now. Make a run, this one named Bubbling. Rock with me. I know a place where we can go. Alright now, with sweet music plays, turn the lights down low. Well, operator, play the music that we love so well. Hey, 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 hey. for the line. And I know that we can rock it cause the time is right. So won't you come on over, but to the dance, little sister. Now we can smoke a sip and you have a drink or two, cause I really know we can spend some time with you. Oh my little sister, we is dancing here together. And you know I might feel like bubbling. Come on and bubble with me right now. I might feel like jumping. Well, come on now. Well, I'm here now waiting for your reply, little darling. I'm ready and waiting, my hopes are high. We got all it takes, we got all we need, yeah. So put on your coat, let the good vibes flow. Oh well, but when you hear the music, there'll be no regret. We're celebrating with the music, we're not ready yet. You and me now, sister, dancing in a corner. And you know I might feel like bubbling. Oh, I might feel like jumping. Well, oh yeah, I might feel like bubbling. Oh well, I might feel like jumping. Oh well, alright. Hey, Mr. Music, you're so good to me. I can't refuse it. What do we got to be? Feel like a rubbing, a dubbing, a Kingston night market. Oh well, oh well, oh well, yeah, oh well, oh well, oh well. Let's slide into next June. Let's slide into the next June, yeah. Ah, well. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Where's the lovers rock this tune? Ready? You know about the Smoky Blues? Nobody know about the Smoky Blues. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up, pop, pop. Do you know about the Smoky Blues? In England, we have a house. You find a house that no one's in, and you put your DJ, you put your sound system in there, and that's what we call a Smoky Blues. So imagine you're in the UK, right? You're gone, you pay whatever you have to pay to go into the blues. And this is a story about a virgin waiting for a daughter to go into the blues. All right, run it. It's Saturday, and now it's time to rain. I got a date with her, I can't delay. I really gotta reach there right on time. It's getting kinda late now. I wonder will she wait in that smoky, smoky blues. Whoa, dancehall car, where to begin? Smoky, smoky blues. Whoa, dancehall club tonight. Hey, now I'm waiting, anticipating. Is she gonna break this heart of mine? No need to worry, I see her coming to me. Gonna take it one step at a time in that smoky, smoky blues. Whoa, dancehall call, oh, where to begin? Smoky, smoky blues, smoky blues. Whoa, dancehall call tonight. Yeah. Oh, well. music playing, our bodies swaying. I hold you close as we dance in time. You got that special something, it's good into me. I always wanted you by my side in the smoky, smoky blues. Whoa, that's all called, oh, where to begin? Smoky, smoky blues, smoky blues. Whoa, that's all called tonight. Well, smoky, smoky blues. Whoa, yeah. In that smoky, smoky blues. Oh, well. In that smoky, smoky blues, blues. Ah, well, in that smoky, smoky blues. Ah, well, in that. All right, I want to ask you a question. Everybody knows Dennis Brown's Promised Land, right? All right. Do you know the original to that tune? All right. So I'm going to drop the original to Promised Land. Okay, we're going to play a little bit. All right. When you're ready. Give me one thing, give me love from your heart. Where does the fire of love kindle first? In the heart. In the heart of run it. 1991, come here, blah, blah, blah. Give me one thing, give me love from your heart. Where does the fire of love kindle first? In the heart. In the hearts of every girl. Taking your chances, not knowing the fire burn. You give love and then receive no love in return. Emptiness and grace, tears in your eyes. Tell me why you're doing this, and now I'm out of time. A little fire should be burning. Love is the force, I said, let there be life in the heart. This girl will cling onto the memory. Ocean rushing onto yesterday's property. And that love is just, well now, tears in your eyes. Tears in your eyes you cry. Love in your heart so wide. Why must you feel this feeling in your soul? Pull it up, pull it up. Then you know there was a time when Dennis returned from Sasha Money and he heard the rhythm. He said, "Whoosh, my brethren, what's that? I have a tune, I want to drop a tune on it." So we took him down to Basin Street and we dubbed up the version and it sounded sweet like this. Promised Land, let's have Promised Land. Oh, well. Sing with me. The Promised Land. Going to the Promised Land. To the Promised Land. Well, going to the Promised Land. Oh, well. They just left down to Aswad. And then we stopped in Addis Ababa. Way to Shasha Money Land, riding on the Kingston way to the Promised Land. Oh gosh, take me to the Promised Land, to the Promised For he gave me the teaching so I could see the reality and truth of my true being and liberty. There's a lot more work still to be done in the promised land. Take me to the promised land. Take me to the promised land. To the promised land. Oh God, take me to the promised land. Take me to the promised land. Take me to the promised land. Ethiopia, that's the place I wanna stand. I wanna go now to Jajamani, 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 yeah. Oh God. Take me to the promised land. Take me to the promised land. Oh God, take me to the promised land. Take me to the, take me to the promised land. I wanna go to the promised land. Take me to. See if I care, go on and go now. But don't turn around, cause you're gonna see my heart breaking. Don't turn around, cause you're gonna see me crying. Just walk away, tearing me apart that you're leaving. I'm letting you go, and I won't let you know. I won't let you know. His arms around me, holding me tight. And if you ever think about me, girl, just know that I'm gonna be alright. Well, I'm gonna be strong, I'm gonna be fine. Don't worry about this heart of mine. I'll make it through, I learned to survive. Yes, I learned to live without you. Don't turn around, cause you're gonna see my heart breaking. Don't turn around, cause you're gonna see me crying. Just walk away, tearing me apart that you're leaving. I'm letting you go. I wish I could scream out now, but I love you. I wish I could say to you, don't go, don't go, don't go, don't turn around, cause you're gonna see my heart breaking. Don't turn around, cause you're gonna see me crying. Just walk away, and tearing me apart that you're leaving. I'm letting it go. Baby, baby, I won't get on my knees for you. If you would only love me like you used to do. Well, we are the love, I love it, don't find every day. Ah, well. It's time for you to take the mic and continue with the show.
You know those were perfect notes, right? Yeah.
We tried.
No, we're not trying, we're actually doing it. Brinsley Forde of the Aswad, everyone. Give thanks so much. Your pastor was a judge the other day, and now you come and grace us with the vocals. We appreciate you. We give thanks. Much love and blessing.